Hi, I'm Helena Camara. We are here in the LabBoite, the Fablab of Cergy, where I made my ukulele.
Well, you don't know me and I bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back.
This video will talk about the whole process, all the steps of my project. From the gathering of information, the designing in 2D and 3D, and the process of building it. The first thing I did was gather information. I went online, searched for blogs, videos, project pages made by luthiers or hobbyists about stringed instruments. I found a free template made by a hobbyist of all the measurements I needed. With these measures, I could draw precise templates on Affinity Designer of the neck and the headstock. I then laser cut the template to the right dimensions in the MDF using a laser cutter. This template made it easy to transfer to the real wood. I rounded the neck and cut the headstock using traditional machinery. The hardest part of my build was to curve the sides of the ukulele, because I didn't have the tools that luthiers have, like a steaming chamber or a heated press. Consequently, I had to use hot water instead of steam to bend the sides. I also had to design and cut my own press using the laser. Here, because my wood was too small, I had to fill the gaps with more of the same wood. I also cut harmonic reinforcement to strengthen the wood and to make a more warm sound. Using Fusion 360, I modeled a turtle to serve as a bridge and then milled it into oak using a CNC. The ukulele was planned to have a scale length of exactly 43 centimeters, so I had to place the turtle in exactly the right place. The plastic parts were also printed here in LabBoite. I manually placed and glued the frets using a seesaw. For the marquetry here and here, what I did was to engrave exactly the same shape that I was cutting in another material. Here it's a pearl-like plastic, and here it's other woods. The whole theme of the ukulele is Hawaii. The rosette was inspired by the whole theme of the ukulele. Here you can see waves, and in the negative space of the wave, you see a sailboat. This leather strap was entirely made by the laser cutter. I used the design of laser straps that exist in the market. I included some personal details like the turtle or my name. With this you can see the wide range of products you can produce in a Fab Lab. With the help of a sewing pattern course, I used the measurements from the ukulele to build this case. I also embroidered my name here in the lab using brown filament. This project is very special to me because during 6 months I came here every day after school. It wasn't that simple to juggle between school and the Fab Lab. I learned a lot during this project. I learned to use 2D and 3D softwares that I never used before and use machines that are inaccessible anywhere else.
All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for other people to say, we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day.
Thank you for watching the first video of this channel.
We'll be posting videos about the old projects we do here during this year.
Subscribe and leave a like!